These are scary times where anything can happen at any time. There are rumors going around that the CEO of Coinbase, one of the biggest cryptocurrency platforms, doesn't like XRP Ripple and wants to keep its price as low as possible. Weird, doesn't it sound better? That being said, things are not as simple as they look. Is this information correct? Should we sell our coins quickly? Let's take these questions one at a time and answer them. Let's get right to the point without any more nonsense. XRP Ripple has been the subject of a lot of debate and discussion in the crypto industry and among regulators. However, XRP's journey has not been easy. It has been through legal fights and close scrutiny by regulators, which have affected how the market sees it and caused operational problems. When the Securities and Exchange Commission sued Ripple Labs in December 2020, saying that the company sold $1.3 billion worth of securities without being registered, the legal situation involving XRP changed dramatically. For its part, Ripple said that XRP should be considered a currency and not a security. This started what would become a long legal fight. A district judge named Annalisa Torres partially settled the case in July 2023. She said that XRP wasn't a security when it was sold on public platforms, but it could be a security when sold by institutions. People who support Ripple saw this decision as a big win and praised it. This is a step toward clearer rules for the crypto business as a whole. As a result of the ruling, Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, said that the company had always been on the right side of the law in history. He didn't like how the SEC was trying to regulate the crypto business by using what he called failed lawsuits, false statements, slander, and threats. Stuart Alderati, Ripple's top legal officer, agreed with these ideas, saying that the decision showed how far the SEC went when Gary Gensler was in charge. Even though the 2023 decision was good for XRP, the regulatory environment as a whole is still tough. Since it is one of the biggest Bitcoin exchanges, Coinbase is in a legal battle with the SEC. Judge Catherine Polk-Falo was skeptical about Coinbase's plan to call SEC Chair Gary Gensler to a recent meeting. Coinbase tried to get Gensler's messages because it said they were important for its case, but Judge Fila didn't buy it, saying that Coinbase's plans were speculative and probably wouldn't work. These two lawsuits, one by Coinbase and one by Ripple, are linked so that the results of one could affect the other. Thoughts have been going around that Coinbase might take XRP off its list of supported currencies or limit the number of trading pairs it offers in order to avoid more regulatory fallout. A move like this could have a big effect on how open the XRP market is and how stable its price is. If XRP was taken off of a big exchange like Coinbase, it would be harder for small investors to buy and sell. This could cause other exchanges like Binance to think about doing the same thing. Not only would losing trading sites hurt XRP's market value, but it would also make investors less confident. XRP's possible removal from Coinbase shows how dangerous it is for cryptocurrencies to work in an undefined regulatory climate. Accessibility and liquidity are very important to the crypto industry. When big exchanges stop supporting an asset, these are both at risk. It could have a big effect on XRP because it depends on being listed on a lot of exchanges to stay in the market. Also, this kind of action could affect other digital assets that are being looked at by regulators in the same way. This shows how important it is for the whole industry to have clear and uniform regulatory rules. Don't worry though just yet. Crypto experts are very optimistic about XRP Ripple and think that its price will go through the roof, shocking everyone. I promise you that you can't miss this warning. You'll be amazed at how much this could grow, and it will change the future of digital goods. XRP Ripple has always been a source of both excitement and debate. Even though XRP has had a rough ride with regulatory problems and market volatility, analysts and crypto fans alike are still making big statements about it. One of these predictions comes from the great Matsby, a cryptocurrency analyst who just recently made an amazing statement for XRP. The great Matsby said on the Twitter site X that XRP could go up by about 58,000% and trade at $250, which would give the market a value of $14 trillion. This guess comes from a trend in the charts called the Bollinger Band squeeze, which has been used to predict big price changes in the past. When XRP went through a similar squeeze before, its price went from less than a cent to a high point near $4, an incredible 60,000% rise. If the past happens again, XRP's value could go above $250. This would put its market capitalization well above that of the world's biggest companies like Apple, which has a market cap of $3.5 trillion right now. If the price of XRP goes through the roof, it will be worth more than $16 trillion, which is more than twice as much as gold. There are more than one of these predictions. Some well-known people in the cryptocurrency world are also optimistic about XRP's future, tweeted that the highest price he thinks XRP will reach this cycle is $1.35, telling buyers to see market drops as chances to buy. One more influential person, Jack the Rippler, said that having just 1,000 XRP could make you a millionaire. Feelings like these are making people excited, but they also make some people skeptical. But the huge growth expectations depend on a lot of things that are still hard to predict, like how regulations change and how quickly the market adopts new products. Judge Annalisa Torres ruled last year that XRP was not a security when sold on public exchanges, which was a partial win in court. However, the regulatory environment is still uncertain. There are, however, ongoing legal fights that make things even more complicated, especially those involving large exchanges like Coinbase. Taking XRP off of big exchanges would not only make it less visible on the market, but it could also hurt investor confidence, which would cause even more volatility. However, the crypto world is still not scared. People really believe that XRP can overcome its problems and reach a level of growth that has never been seen before. This view is supported by the technological progress Ripple is making in the area of international payments and the strategic partnerships it keeps making. Let us talk about this in more depth. You can't miss the amazing new relationships that Ripple has made. You will be shocked by how these alliances will change the business. Watch out, because this is going to blow your mind. So as more people around the world use XRP, its value argument gets stronger. Edo Farina and other well-known crypto enthusiasts have talked a lot about XRP's potential, saying that it will change the way people pay for things around the world. As Ripple continues to make big deals with big companies and grow around the world, this goal is becoming more real. One of the most interesting things to happen recently is that trading traffic on DBS Digital Exchange, which works with Ripple, has gone through the roof. CryptoHoke talked about this important event and pointed out that the volume on DBS Digital Exchange, a Ripple XRP partner exchange, went up by 300%. This big rise in trading shows that investors are becoming more interested, and it also shows that major financial markets are trusting and relying more on Ripple's technology. Not only are Ripple's relationships growing in terms of trade volume, but they are also growing in terms of strategic alliances. CryptoHulk posted about a deal between Google and a secret Ripple country partner. The deal was thought to be worth $23 billion. Even though the specifics haven't been made public yet, these high-stakes partnerships suggest that Ripple's impact and integration into global financial systems are growing. These relationships are very important for XRP because they increase demand and the number of ways it can be used. This can cause the price to rise. Ripple's participation in digital currencies issued by central banks is another important step forward. CryptoHoke said that China, a partner of XRP and Ripple, signed the CBDC crypto deal along with Kazakhstan. This move shows that Ripple is becoming more important in the new digital market, especially in creating and using CBDCs. Ripple's technology could become a backbone for these digital currencies as more countries look into and adopt CBDCs. This would make XRP more useful and important. For many reasons, XRP needs to be used all over the world. First, it raises the trade volume and liquidity, which are very important for the growth and stability of any cryptocurrency. As more countries and banks use Ripple's technology, the price of XRP is expected to go up because more people want it. Global partnerships and integrations also boost Ripple's reputation and the perceived legitimacy of XRP, which brings in more institutional investors and big financial players. For people who own XRP, these events are signs that the price will go up. The rising number of well-known partnerships and the growing use of Ripple's technology point to a strong and growing ecosystem. This rise means that more people want to buy XRP, which could cause prices to go up a lot. Ripple is also setting itself up to be a big player in the future of digital finance by working with major financial institutions and participating in CBDCs. And now the only question is, what do you think about that? Do you think XRP Ripple will go up? What do you think will happen? Please tell me in the comments. Would be interested to know. This video has now come to an end. Thanks for seeing it. Thank you for reading. If you liked it, please click the like button